Hello everybody, my today's topic is commerce. No, I'm not talking about plus two commerce. I'm talking about commerce where sale, transfer and exchange of goods and services takes place. Sale means selling of the product, transfer means transfer of ownership from seller to buyer, and exchange of goods and services for some value, that is money. Commerce ensures a proper link between producers and consumers. It ensures smooth distribution of products. It makes sure that the product should be available at the right place, in the right quantity and at the right time. Commerce removes various hindrances so that the business goes on smoothly. The hindrances are hindrances of person, hindrances of place, hindrances of time, hindrances of finance, hindrances of information and hindrances of risk. Now, based on the first alphabet, I have made the acronyms, that is PPTFIR. PPTFIR. So these are the 6 hindrances which commerce removes, and how it removes we will look here. Now, first hindrances of person. Now, there is a lack of contact or communication between the producers and the consumers. Now, trade removes this hindrance of person because trade provides an organized market so that the producers and consumer can come in a common platform and can exchange their views. Next comes hindrances of place. That means that the goods are produced at certain places but it is consumed all over the places. Transport removes the hindrances of place. Transport makes products available to each and every places. Let me give you an example. Tea is produced in Assam but it is consumed all over the places. So through transportation, that means airways, railways, roadways, waterways, etc., this hindrances is removed. Next comes hindrances of time. There is a time gap between the production and the consumption, and storage and warehousing removes the hindrances because the stocks is stored and whenever the product is demanded, it is supplied to the consumers, and as a result this limits the hoarding, because hoarding means that the unnecessary the price of the product is raised though the product is available in the stock. Next comes hindrances of finance. This means that money is required to do business. So capital problem is solved through banking and finance institution. Money is available to the people who are doing business. So this finance hindrance is removed. Next comes hindrances of information. That means people are not aware about whatever the new products has been launched by the producers. As a result, advertisement plays the very important role and people comes to know about the latest product, its features, its price, etc. Thus, hindrances of information is removed. Lastly comes the hindrances of risk. This means that the products, there is always a risk to the businessman regarding the loss, theft, fire. As a result, insurance minimize these types of risk and ensures smooth flow of business. Let's tell me the acronym which I made, because this hindrances, how it can be overcome. Like for place it is trade, for person it is trade, for place it is transportation, for time it is storage and warehousing, for finance it is banking, for information it is advertisement, and for risk it is insurance. So we have to remember the acronym PPTFIR and the acronym TTS by BAI. That's all.